This is Ramya. I'm working in Vallabha Vidyalaya, Madurai. So we came to Kayal Food Factory for a field trip with a grade 7 students. Nearly 300 students plus 20 staff members we came here. ஸோ இங்கே உள்ளே வரும்போது வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப இந்த அட்மாஸ்பியர் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. ஸ்டாஃப்ஸோட கோஆப்ரேஷன், அவங்களோட கைடன்ஸ், ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு ஏரியா போகும்போதுமே வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப அழகாக எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாங்க. அவங்களே பசங்களை வந்து தனித்தனி குரூப்பாக பிரிச்சுட்டு அவங்களுக்குள்ள ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ் எடுத்துட்டு ஒவ்வொரு ஏரியாவுமே போய் ரொம்ப அழகாக எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாங்க. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஹேட் அ கிரேட் டைம் ஹியர். அண்ட் அவங்களோட ஃபார்ம் கூப்பிட்டு போனாங்க. ஸோ ஃபார்ம்லேயுமே வந்துட்டு வெரைட்டி ஆஃப் ப்ரீட்ஸ், கண்ட்ரி ப்ரீட்ஸ் அண்ட் மோர் தென் 200 ப்ரீட்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். ரொம்ப நல்ல எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இங்கே இருந்தது. ஸ்டாஃப்ஸோட கோஆப்ரேஷன் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கிவன் ஹியர். தேங்க்யூ.
I am Fatima Jessima, teacher of English in Vallabha Vidyalaya School. We have come here to Kayal Food Factory to have a visit and to experience and explore many food items that are produced from this factory. And our students visited so many factories such as oil factory, flowers factory, as well as the farming place. And our students enjoyed a lot because it was a new experience for them. And we were so eager to note each and every detail of the process which were made here. And we have come here with more than 200 students and more than 15 staffs, and we had a good experience. And we will always remember this factory, and we'll have a good visit in the future also. Thank you so much.
I am Reema from Vallabha School. We visited the Kayal Agro Food Factory today. We are very happy. I think our students enjoyed a lot, and they came to learn about the process of extracting oil and flour from the raw materials, and they looked at the machineries which helped in making the oil, and they learned the export and import methods also. And the guides who led us into this visit was very good, and they explained all the process which is happening in the factory. I think our students had a good time looking at the farm over here with all the animals in it. I enjoyed it, and even our students had a great time over here visiting this factory. Thank you.
Today we have some more varieties of farms, and then the sir told us that everything was organic in the factory, and everything was wonderful to see. I love the greeneries, and then there are 200 varieties of cows, and everything was wonderful. I like it most. My name is Arjit. I am studying 7th standard F section in Vallabha Vidyalaya, Madurai. I came to Kayal Agro Factory, and I learned about how they making flowers, and I see how they making oils, and I see where and all they exporting the oils from India to other countries like Malaysia, Singapore.